Hi everyone, I'm Andrea Curtis. I'm the program coordinator at the Guelph Public Library, and today I thought would be a great day to stop and listen to the birds. How many can you hear in your yard? Or if you're in an apartment, just open your window. How many birds can you hear? It's the perfect time to observe birds before the leaves come out on the trees. Are there any nests in your yard? I found one just over there in our trees in our yard. Have you ever thought about how birds make their nests? Well, I thought it'd be fun to try that myself, and you can do this at home too. I just collected up some dry grass, some leaves, and just some sticks. So I thought I'd be a bird engineer and try to make my own nest. Oh, and I have some mud. So I've just got a dish. You can maybe just get a paper plate, that would work well, or just do this right on the ground. So I'm just going to take some grass. I'm just going to put it in here, and I think the outside of my nest, and I think I'll need some mud to kind of hold this together. Maybe I need to mix it in. First, you never know how they do this, but it's a good way to think how they might. Maybe I'll mix some leaves in with the mud. That, and press it around. Maybe some of these stronger sticks would help too. Grass in the bottom. Leaves mixed with some dirt. Oh, I can see that. This must be a real art to this. There. Now, I think what I'll do is to test my design, I'll leave this and let the mud dry, and then once it's dry, take it out and see if I was successful in making a bird nest. So I hope you had fun seeing me try to make this bird nest today. You can do this at home as well. Also, go on our website to our e-resources, and there's a great book in the Tumble Book section about birds.